Hi friends. So today what we are going to see in this video is how to install Selenium. So as we all know, Selenium is to automate the web application. It needs some prerequisite to set up, unlike Java. Java, if we just install and set the path, it would work, right? But it's not the same case with Selenium. So come, let's go and see what all the prerequisites required. So these links I'll be providing in the description. Please make use of it. So first thing is Java. So hope everything is installed in your system with respect to Java. But still make sure that the JDK is installed, not only just JRE. Because JRE is a Java runtime environment, JDK is a Java development kit. So JRE doesn't provide the complete functionalities. So better to install the JDK. And why we prefer Java 8 when there is 10, 11, 12, 13. Those are like untested, like open JDKs are available, which are free for the users. But from enterprise level, they still stick with 1.8 because for the enterprise, 13 or 12 is paid. Anything above 8 is paid. So just for your information. And then next thing which would be required is Eclipse. So the Eclipse latest version is Eclipse IDE 2019 12. Okay. So not Oxygen or Neon or Mars. So this is a very nice implementation from Eclipse because previously we have to download the package and then unzip it and use it, and there was a different packages for Java Enterprise Developer, Java Developer, C++, but this is a simple exe which you have to just download, and while setting up you can just configure it however you want. Okay. Moving on to the next, it's ChromeDriver. Okay, so before downloading the ChromeDriver, make sure what is your version of Chrome. For that, you have to just click on three dots, go to Help, and click on About Google Chrome. So you'll get to know what is your Google Chrome version is. Okay, so with that, download the respective Google Chrome driver. So here I have down, like blocked the auto updates because the Google gives frequent updates to Google Chrome, and each and every time you have to download the respective drivers. So how to do that? So let me show you. Okay, go to your C drive, program 86, that is program file 86, Google, and update folder will be there in your system. So here I have already renamed it to update hold. So you can rename it however you want. So once you download and keep the respective driver, it's done. So we will see all the setup later. So first we'll complete the download process. So then mainly now comes to the main heart of what is the requirement. Selenium. We have to download Selenium itself separately. So Selenium Grid is not required. Selenium Grid is something which it's like advanced remote server, and then Internet Explorer driver is also not required because we are going to use Google Chrome because Chrome is used by most of the users. So now what we require is Selenium client and WebDriver languages. In that you could see Java, right? So this is what we are going to download. So click on download. Why download? It'll download the stable version. If you're going to click on alpha download, it'll download the alpha version. So it's better to go with the stable version as a learners. Okay. So here are things which I've already downloaded and kept. So I'm not going to install it right now because I've already installed it, but I'll let you know how to install it. Okay, so double click on Java. It'll give you an administration request, yes or no. Click on yes. Okay, so you'll get a pop-up like this in your window. Don't change the destination, just click on install and complete the installation. Okay, I'm canceling it because I've already installed it. And then moving on to the next thing, maybe before that itself, once you install Java, just go to your program files like C drive. If you have installed 64-bit of Java, it should be in programs, else same thing will be available in program file 86. Okay, so you need not worry if you're not finding Java here. So go to Java, you can see your version. So whatever version, maybe 8, if you have downloaded 8.241, you might see that. So this folder should be there, the JDK folder. Just open the JDK folder, copy the path. What we are going to do here, we are going to set the environment variables. So right click on this PC, click on properties. So properties would give you a pop-up box and click on advanced system settings. Once you click on admin settings, here you go, environment variables, and this you should click on like new and paste the path here and name it as Java home. Okay, and click on OK. So I've already created Java home here because it's better to create a system variables if it is a VM or if it is used by multiple users, because this user defined variables will be only for you. Okay, so I've created here. I've also written it here, so I'll be deleting it just for your reference. I've created. Okay, and now click on path, and now you have to just add bin to that. How you can do is, like since already we have Java home, just click on new percentage Java underscore home percentage backslash bin, small letters. How it works, let's copy this for our reference. As of now, I'm clicking OK. Press Windows R from your system. That is nothing but go and search for run. So this run box comes up. Paste this in your run box and click on OK. Wow, it opens our path, bin path under JDK. How it happens? Because the percentage Java underscore home, we have already set till here, that is JDK. So we are giving slash bin and it takes the bin. So what is the advantage? Next time when you change the Java version, you just need to change it in one place, that is Java home. So the next time automatically it takes the bin path as well. Okay. So we have set up Java. Because it's good to set up Java before everything because it's the basic need. Okay, I'm going back to the downloads and clicking on Eclipse. So as I said, it's a very amazing, wonderful feature with which Eclipse has given us. because previously it was a very hectic feature, like hectic task to get the Eclipse done, because like you would have downloaded for developer, then you might again need it for enterprise developers. So again and again, you have to download the packages. So once you click on Eclipse, you would get this window. So in this, there are many options. As I said previously, we have to download for each and everything different package. Now it comes in a single package, which you can use it. So for Selenium, I would say Java developer itself is more than enough. But if you want to learn some little development works as well, I would suggest go for the enterprise Java developer. I have personally installed enterprise Java developer because you can also like create web applications using this. Okay, just click on this and don't change the path. Here JRE is there. I would prefer to say not JRE. So I'll go with the JDK path. In the JDK path, maybe like you have to select the JRE. So again, browse because it is not coming directly. So this PC, go program files, Java, and here you have the JDK and JRE. That's it. Select the folder and click OK. And then you can install. So since I've already installed, I'm not going to install it again. I'm just closing it. Okay, so here I've installed the standalone server for I've not installed, I've just downloaded the jar file of standalone server for Selenium alpha version as well, but it's not required. And also Selenium Java, there's a folder which I get. So just keep it, just unzip the Selenium zip file and keep it ready. Okay. So where is extract? Oh, okay, maybe I didn't select it. Mhm. So this would come, extract. I've already extracted, so it has, anyway, I'm replacing it. Okay, you would get these things, to client and library, okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to set up the Eclipse with Selenium, okay. Open Eclipse. So I have just searching. My system is pretty slow. So once I click on that, I'd get a pop-up box like this. So workspace, you have to declare the workspace. What is a workspace? Workspace is, to describe in simple terms, it's a folder where all your code is going to get stored. So whatever action you do in Eclipse, it'll get stored in that particular workspace. You can have one or many. It's up to you. Like I create for separate projects, separate workspace. Uh, so it makes the job easier. So here, let me give Selenium underscore test, or maybe demo. Okay, and just click on launch. And don't click on do not ask me again, because eh, it'll be little like difficult to go and change in settings every time, right? So it's better to have the options every time when you launch the Eclipse. So I'm just waiting for the Eclipse new workspace to launch. So the advantage here is, even though the folder is not created, like unlike for the Chrome or anything, you need uh, to download the folder to be created previously, right? But here, if you give the folder in the workspace pop-up, it automatically gets it created for you. Let me show it later. Before that, let's create a project for you. Okay, so click on New Java Project. Selenium demo. Your workspace name and project name can be same. It need not be, it must be same. It's up to you how you want to. If you're getting confused, just put Selenium project. And another thing is there shouldn't be space or special characters, only underscore or hyphen is allowed. No space, special characters, just remember that. Click on next. So you can see the source code here, src folder. Click on finish. Open perspective. Okay, I've clicked on finish. Yeah, it came. So here you can see my project. Here you can see my source code. So right click on src, that is the source code. New package. Why package? Without package, I cannot work. So what is a package? Package is something like another folder structure. So once I create this, you might get to know how it works. So before creating a package, what I will tell what will happen if I don't create a package. You have to create a class, right, to write any program or script. So if you give your class name here, it gets into the package default. So each and everything should be inside the package under the source code. So if you don't create, also it creates a default package and moves your code, like puts your code directly there. So anyway, I'm creating a package demo. And under demo, I'm going to create a class called test. Okay. So I've created a package demo, right? So that's actually not a right way to create a package. Usually how a package looks is like, since we are in the beginning, I don't want to confuse you, but at the same time, I want you to know the industrial standards and to work with it, because while beginning itself, if you understand why we do it, then it would be helpful. So always we know the sites, right? www.facebook.com. So the package name will always start in the reverse. Com dot your organization name. So maybe we can take Facebook. I'll just put FB dot whatever package name you want to give the module. The Facebook has the search feature and like other features, right? So they would package all the function together. So each functionality is packaged. Okay. So it's like kind of folder structure only. Maybe here I want to demo, so I'll give demo package. So the package should be created in this particular way and not in this way. Okay. And also the class name. When you start the class name T should be in caps, like the starting letter should be in caps for the class name. Okay, so this is one thing. So do you think the Selenium would work here? Yes, no, maybe. No, the Selenium won't work because we didn't import the Selenium itself here. So we have to import the Selenium jars. Should we import it using import? No. You have to just go to right click on the project, go to the build path, configure build path, and then click on libraries. Click on add external jars. Okay, external jars we have we have unzipped the Selenium and kept it somewhere, right? Yeah, this is the one. So just give the path. So we are not using standalone server or the alpha. The alpha comes with a single jar, but here there are multiple jars to import. So it's better to import all the jars as it would work seamlessly. Okay, so I have imported all the Selenium jars and it's good to go. Now we can write a Selenium code in the test class and see how it works. Okay, till now, if you have any doubts, make sure you just leave a comment so that I can answer your question. Okay, so let's start our Selenium coding here to test whether it's working or not. So we have done all the setups, right? So first let's, as we said, let's write the code System.setProperties. It's part of Java. It works with a key value pair. So why do we do this? We should know like like to Selenium to and the browser to contact, we need some server, right? So this system.properties help us to connect to the browser. So that's why we said, so this web driver dot chrome dot driver is a key. Okay. So key value pair, if you want to know, just let me know. I can explain it more on another video, or you can also Google and search how it works. And value for this key, what I have as of now is C programs files chromedriver.exe. Okay, and then colon. Okay, so whatever downloaded, we have used it. So, but we didn't use the Chrome a driver, right? So here is what we are going to use. And before that, what is the error we got? Okay, system.setProperties. Yeah, Why there is error? Anyone can guess it? Because it's inside the class, but it's not inside the method. So mainly like it should be inside the method. So better I would create a main method since it's just a demo for Selenium. So public static void main is going to be R. Okay. Now there is no error you can see. So this always should be inside the method. Okay, so what we have created is a main method. So whatever under the main method would be executed. Anything under the main method would be executed, right? So what about whatever is outside the method? I mean outside the main method. Any methods outside the main method would not be executed unless and until it's called under the main method. Okay, it's just for your info. So we have downloaded the Chrome and we have used it like this, right? So how it happens. So let me go to the downloads itself. So we have downloaded the Chrome here. So you would get just Min32 because I've downloaded multi times. It has come 1, 2 and all. So right click and unzip it. So when you unzip it, you will get the exe file. Okay. So just unzipping it. So you got the exe file, right? So when you double click it, you can see the version of the Chrome like this. This is 80. Okay. But I've already done for 70 and I've kept it in programs like C folder, program files here. Okay, this is my 80. I've renamed it so that it doesn't get executed. This is my 78. Okay, you can see this is my 78. So I'm calling this particular Chrome here in my Eclipse. Okay, so we have set the properties. Now we have to set the WebDriver, right? So initializing the browser. WebDriver. And driver is just a variable or argument. Okay, equal to, it's kind of object. New Chrome driver. Okay, why we get error? Because we have not imported the required packages. So Selenium just import, and for here Chrome driver import. Okay, I have imported it. Now then the third thing what we are going to do, we have already have the object, right? Driver dot get. This is like to go to the particular URL. Let me first go to the Facebook where we spend most of our time. .com. Okay, and this is a string argument, so you have to pass it in double quotes. Okay, so this is a code which will open the Chrome browser and navigate to the facebook.com. So how it works, it's inside the main method. We have set the properties for the WebDriver, ChromeDriver. It'll take this value that is from this particular path. It'll take the path for the Chrome driver, and this driver initializing the browser, it'll open the browser. Post that, it navigates to the Facebook. I'm not using anything here, quit or quit driver or anything. It's a basic setup video, right? So we are just checking whether our setup is working fine with this code. Okay, so let's run it and check how it works. Okay, I'm running it. Okay, browser got opened. Nothing is happening. Why? It's an invalid argument. Mhm. What is an invalid argument? Webdriver and navigate to the URL driver.get URL. Okay, I'm just checking the code. Where is the mistake? Is there anyone could see the mistake? It got invoked, so but it didn't take to the URL. So how to debug? Version 10. So the better way to debug is to read the error. Where is the invalid argument exception? Okay, better let's give it with HTTP now and check whether it works. Yeah, it works. So even the string argument which you're passing to get matters. You just can't give www how we directly give in the browser. The HTTPS should be there. Okay. So as I said in the beginning, everything is a folder structure. I'll explain it to you how. Just click on properties, right clicking on the project. You will get this location. Just click it here, the small icon. So when you click on here, you would see the Selenium project, which is nothing but our project. And this is our workspace, which automatically got created when we gave in the Eclipse pop-up. So project which we have created under which SRC is there. So you can see package, our packages are there. And when we have created com.fb.demo, right? And demo. But if you see com is only there, demo is there. But why it is not displayed full? Because each dot is separated as a folder. So under com, it's FB demo. Okay, so com FB, then comes the demo. So this is the way of organizing things. So under FB there will be multiple features, and com.whatsapp they can have if it's a different organization like URL which the same company owns. So like this, it makes the task easier. And when we click on demo, you can see our class test.java, and you can open it. So this is a basic Selenium setup, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned the interesting stuff. So if you want more information, just let me know in the comments. I can help you with more details. And also your feedback would help us for improving the videos and how we make it. So please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.